Hello, welcome to the MOOC on Innovative Strategies of Teaching and Learning. For effective teaching, the teacher utilizes certain approaches and tools to enable the student to learn and flourish. I am Dr. A. Hameed, Professor in the Department of Education, University of Calicut, Kerala. I am going to offer you a course on Innovative Strategies of Teaching and Learning. The major objective of the course is to help the teachers understand the different aspects of recent innovations in teaching and learning. It is a 4-credit course that has to be completed within a period of 14 weeks. Regular live interaction and discussion forum will be an added attraction of the course. Each module includes quiz, assignments and reference materials. Final examination will be carried out and certification will be made. Let me invite you to join with me for this wonderful journey to understand the innovative practices of teaching and learning. Come and explore the dynamic world of teaching and learning. Thank you.